IBPS Booster Peel of ReCell by IBPS Booster Peel with 3 core ingredients such as bacteriophage, LHA and PHA dissolves waste in pores to improve skin texture and have a skin brightening effect. IBPS Booster Fill contains 5 patented nutritional ingredients in addition to 3 core ingredients such as bacteriophage, LHA and PHA to act as a conditioner along with peeling agent. This is the procedural guide for IBPS Solution 1 of ReCell by. Open the cap of IBPS Solution 1 and pour into a glass bowl. For non-irritating brushing, please use a brush specifically designed for IBPS. Once the brush is sufficiently soaked with the Solution 1, brush the lymph nodes behind the ears primarily. Apply the solution 2 to 3 times with a brush from the lymph nodes behind the ears to the lymph nodes in front of the collarbone for drainage. Divide the jaw and cheek into halves and apply 2 to 3 times with a brush from the chin to the front of the ears. Apply from the alar of the nose to the temple 2 to 3 times with a brush. Chapters 1 through 4 should be performed equally on both left and right side. Apply to the chin area 2 to 3 times with the brush. Apply lightly to the philtrum with the remaining amount of the solution on a brush. Apply 2 to 3 times to the nose along the nostril and the bridge of the nose and the middle of forehead with the brush. Apply 2 to 3 times to the entire forehead with the brush. Lightly apply the remaining amount of the solution to the eyebrows with the brush. This is the procedural guide for IBPS Solution 2 of ReCell by. Open the cap of IBPS solution, pour into a glass bowl, and soak the cotton swab. After sufficiently soaking the cotton swab with Solution 2, apply primarily to the lymph nodes behind the ear. Apply the solution 2 to 3 times from the lymph nodes behind the ears to the lymph nodes in front of the collarbone for drainage. Divide the jaw and cheeks half and apply along the skin from the chin to the front of the ears with an overlap of about 1/3. Apply from the alar of the nose to the temple 2 to 3 times with an overlap of about 1/3. Chapters 1 through 4 should be performed equally on both left and right side. Apply to the chin 2 to 3 times in a circular motion. Apply lightly to the philtrum with the remaining amount of the solution on a brush. Apply to the nostril of the nose in a circular motion to the middle of the forehead along the bridge of the nose. Apply to the forehead in overall as if sweeping up. Apply thoroughly between eyebrows. This is the Scalp Technique Procedural Guide for IBPS Solution 2 of ReCell by. Part with the scalp center line and do the cotton swab technique. Make a part to the side of scalp and do the cotton swab technique to the back of the head. Chapters 1 to 2 should be performed equally on both left and right side. Finish by applying to the entire hairline. This is the procedural guide for ISCE Solution 1 of ReCell by. ReCell by ISCE Solution 1 contains sodium hyaluronate, copper tripeptide, amino acid complex, and vitamin complex, and has the effects of skin moisturizing, strengthening skin barrier, and improvement of skin elasticity. This is the procedural guide for ISCE Solution 2 of ReCell by. ISCE Solution 2 contains epidermal progenitor cell conditioned medium, exosomes, growth factors, etc. for rapid skin generation and prevention of skin aging. It restores and revitalizes DEJ function, which is the core of skin. This is the procedural guide for ReCell by ISCE Solution. Open the transparent cap on the top of the ISCE Solution 2 bottle by pulling it to the direction of the air. Remove all aluminum from the edge. Extract ISCE Solution 1 with a syringe. Put it in a bottle of ISCE Solution 2 and shake for 1 to 2 minutes to completely dissolve the lyophilized powder. Extract the dissolved ampule with a syringe. Apply the ampule to the chin and absorb it in a circular motion with MTS. Apply the ampule to the cheek and absorb it in a circular motion with MTS. Apply the ampule to the nose and absorb it in a circular motion with MTS. Apply the ampule to the forehead and absorb it in a circular motion with MTS. At this time, chapters 1 through 4 should be performed equally on both left and right side. This is ReCell by ISCE Scalp Technique Guide. Part the hair to the center of the scalp. Apply the ampule, and then use the MTS in a stamping motion to ensure absorption. Part the hair to the side of the scalp, apply the ampule, and then use the MTS in a stamping motion to ensure absorption. Apply the ampule to the hairline, and then use the MTS in a stamping motion to ensure absorption.